everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve a younger glowing look with Olay in just 5 minutes. I just got out of the shower. I'm going to start first with the Olay White Radiance Light Perfecting Essence. I really love that there's this pump mechanism. I have control over how much product I'm going to put. It's only been a week since I've been using this product from Olay. I really love it because it has a skin brightening complex. It addresses the hyperpigmentation around my face. I have a lot of that around the eyes. The appearance of my eye bags have gotten better. You know how most essences or serums are? They're always very thick and sticky, but this isn't. I leave the serum or the essence on for maybe 2 minutes just to make sure that the skin has already absorbed its goodness. When I'm done with that, I go ahead and use the Olay Regenerist Micro Sculpting Cream. And I feel like it's such a good primer. It blurs my pores. The makeup does last all day. I like it for its main purpose. It's a good moisturizer. It's non-comodegenic, which means it doesn't block the pores. That's what I don't like about most primers. In the long run, it doesn't do anything good for your skin. That's why I opt to use this as my primer. Whatever I put on my face, I always put it down my neck because the neck is also an area where you could see signs of aging. So don't forget your neck. When you say youthful, what comes to my mind at least is a face that doesn't have a lot of makeup. So to be honest, I could just stop here, work on my brows, put a little bit of cheek tint and lip tint, and when I'm done with the face, I go ahead and moisturize my lips. I've always had chappy lips and you guys know that. Do you see my face right now? It kind of gives that glow in the right places and I love that. I think it's because of the White Radiance essence. Parang meron siyang luminous effect. I want a little bit of coverage, just a tiny bit of coverage. So just that much will do. Putting foundation is very optional. You could use a BB cream, CC cream. I colored my hair darker and you'll see that when I'm done with this makeup look. I'm gonna try to make hair-like strokes. Know that the thicker your brows are, the younger you look. To set that in place, I'm gonna put a little bit of brown mascara so it's not super dark. I really like that effect. You guys already know I don't use concealer. I don't like packing on a lot of products under my eyes. It goes back to skincare. I'm really seeing a lot of improvement around my eye bags when I started using the Olay White Radiance Essence. The key to like hydrated, supple looking skin, use creams. That's it. I'm gonna use a cream blush. If you put your blush over here, it kind of brings the attention down. You're gonna look like your face is saggy. So you want to put the blush up. I learned this from Wayne Gauze. He said something about like mimicking how kids are when they play around. And this is where the cheeks actually get warm and red. Pansin nyo, hindi ko siya binababa dito. A little bit of blush over the nose. The key to youthful makeup is using just the right amount of contour. Instead of putting the contour right on the area where your face sinks, you could put it just a little bit up. Instead of putting it here, I'll put it here. It helps give that lifted look. Then whatever's left on my brush, I just put that all over my lids. Put it around your face. I don't need to put mascara on my upper lashes because I do have lash extensions. Put a little bit on your upper lashes and even less on the lower lashes. Why do we put less on the lower lashes? Because it will give an illusion that your eyes pull down. We have to make sure that we look dewy. I suggest you use cream highlight or a liquid highlight. Put it only on the areas where the sun should hit you. I don't suggest you do Instagram highlight if you get what I'm saying. You want to avoid dark colored lipsticks and just go with nudes, pinks. I'm gonna put just a little bit, dab that with my finger. A little bit of red just on the inner corners of the lips. Very easy. It's very cute. And this is the finished look. I hope that you learned something from this video. Just remember though that you can only do so much with makeup. Always invest in good skincare. I suggest you try the Olay White Radiance Light Perfecting Essence and the Olay Regenerist Micro Sculpting Cream because seriously, it's only been a week and it's already doing so much wonders on my face. You know, maybe one day you won't even have to use foundation anymore because your skin's already so beautiful. Thank you so much for watching guys and you stay weird.